Welcome. If you've ever wished your Gmail threads looked like real conversations, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through turning on conversation view in the Gmail app so your emails group into threads just like a chat, making it easier to follow replies and keep track of ongoing discussions. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll see your inbox with messages neatly listed by date. We'll switch on a setting that groups related messages together so you can see the full back and forth at a glance. Next, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together and is sometimes called the hamburger menu. This opens a side panel with several options. Scroll down until you reach Settings. In Settings, you'll find a list of all the email accounts attached to your Gmail app. Tap on the account you want to adjust. If you have multiple accounts, repeat these steps for each one you want to apply Conversation View to. Now, you'll see a series of preferences for that specific mailbox. Look for the option labeled Conversation View. It's the switch that controls whether messages are shown as single emails or linked as conversations. Tap the switch to turn Conversation View on. Once you've toggled it on, return to your inbox and open any thread. You should notice that related messages are grouped together, showing a continuous line of replies rather than a flat list of individual emails. This makes following a discussion much easier, especially when there are lots of back and forth messages. If you ever want to switch back, simply follow the same steps and turn Conversation View off. It's handy to have both options available depending on how you prefer to scan your messages.